welcome back to vlog number 3. Today is actually filmed a week ago. It's the day after I released vlog number 2. Yeah, so today I'm going back up to Letchworth. It's nothing exactly special, but I'll try and film as much as I can. Let's go. See, this is currently my setup. I haven't even finished the vlog, but it's doing pretty good. I quite like this, the beginning of this vlog. It's quite I was actually yesterday and I was cleaning my room and I found a couple of like really cool stuff. Desk. I don't know if I like them yet, but I'll get used to it. So this is them. It comes with like a little remote and then it just like comes on and then you can do it. Do that. You can do that. You can do that. You can have double lights. I've actually now just got to clean my room because it's actually a disgrace. Like, this is me when I vlog. Like, I'm not actually going, I'm not actually leaving yet, I just packed my bag. What's the time? It is 11:40, I'm leaving at about 5. I've got ages. Let's do something for the vlog. That over there, that used to be my old hobby of gardening. It's just like, whatever happened to it. This is me. That's how I vlog. I just hold my camera up and I just stare at it. It's like the best way of doing it. I've actually noticed, but in the last vlog, I actually had this on my camera. So the camera, you could see like the blackness of this. I don't know. And then after I filmed all the footage, I kind of realised, I was like, oh god. So I don't think I'll be using this again for vlogging. Like this little fancy like bag kind of thing. I just lose them all the time. So yeah, I break them as well. But I'll try and do some shots on my phone. See how that goes, just to mix it up a bit. I'm kind of starting to realise how long this vlog is going to be compared to yesterday's, because this one's already 4 minutes long or something and I haven't even left the house to go to Letchworth yet. More of my day, you get to see it. I think during the end of the vlog it will be quite short because there's not a lot to vlog. Things to do in the vlog, so I'm just getting like really random shots.
Pigeon. Pigeon, told you to press the screen share. Oh, you're such a shit.
Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's vlog.
What are you doing? Stop vlogging, you paedophile.
I could put that as a title, like Gone Wrong or something. Alright, thanks for watching everyone, hope you enjoyed.
Georgie, it's not over yet. Do not end it.
Fine, the vlog's not over.
End it.
Alright, we're in Letchworth now. The train journey was alright.